B, C, D. Come sing with me. Let's learn letters joyfully. A is for apple, law, law. B is for ball, jokuri chaw. C is for cat, meow meow pie. D is for duck, chalti body me jae.
E is for elephant, hati bara. F is for fish, D zara. G is for goat, me gare. H is for hat, sarko dhake.
Come on friends, clap with glee. Let's sing more from A to Z. I is for ice cream, Fendi, Fendi. J is for truck, bunny say buddy. K is for kite asmana mein udti. L is for lion, the heart se darti. M is for monkey, the dog pe kuta. N is for nest, jahan parinda soota.
O is for owl, raat mein jaage. P is for parrot, rango mein bhaage. Q is for queen, ताज वाली रानी. R is for rabbit, भागती है सनी. S is for sun, चमकता तारा. T is for train, झुक झुक प्यारा. U is for umbrella, बारिश का दोस्त. V is for van, school का post. W is for watch, time के guide. X is for cell phone, सरसनाई.
Y is for yak, lamba bala wala. C is for zebra, lines का जादू भला.